Well, good evening. It just goes on and on and on for Mr. Sunshine in every capacity. Whether we're talking about Realtor Eddy, Locksmith Eddy. Kathy, no sooner Mr. Sunshine feeds Mama Mary her snackaroo and I'm ready to go party all night long, I get an emergency call. They can't get the vault closed. Well, at 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, that's where I come in. All right? There we go. You know what, Kathy? If there's been a statement made today that epitomizes yours truly, you just posted it. All right? I'm the man. All right? I'm the guy that's going to go over there and work my magic and get that vault closed. Thank God it's open. If it was closed, it may take a few more minutes. But thank God it's open. I can handle that just like that. Well, you know what? Whether we're talking about 8 in the morning or 8 at night, when Mr. Sunshine gets the emergency call, we need you. Whether it's a woman in distress, maybe she has a chastity belt on, maybe she lost her key and she wants to go to the clubs tonight and she can't operate without the chastity belt off. Well, that's where I come in, all right? So whether we're talking about vaults, chastity belts, front door locks, automotive locks, whatever, that's where I come in, okay? And I know the game better than anybody. You hear a lot of this. There's a lot of this going on out there that they tell you they're Houdini, they're the magic locksmith, hocus pocus and all of that, all right? Hocus pocus, out of focus, all right? And magically, the door opens up. Well, you know what? It doesn't work that way. I'm sorry to inform you. All right? But when I take, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to start putting a GoPro. I need to put a GoPro up on my head. All right? I'm going to strap one to my head just like this. All right? And then you're going to go and spend a day with me. All right? Everybody thinks it's a bed of roses, champagne is flowing, corks popping, Chardonnay, red wine, the whole 9 yards. Here we go. Kings of Leon. That's right. So thankfully it's close here in town. It's not like Miami, which it very well could have been. All right. It's not all the way up there in Jupiter. It's located right here in town. So it wasn't like I'm traveling for an hour to get there. But if it was, I would be on my way. So as you can see right here, Locksmith Eddy, styling and profiling. Whether I'm sitting in Versace, sitting there at Four Brothers Italian Restaurant with a beautiful woman, or I'm sitting here live right here. As a matter of fact, you know what? You may find yourself sitting right over here, okay? This is entertainment, people. This is not a show on Fox News or CNN or the Hallmark Channel. This is live, all right? This is live, my friends. And, you're all thinking it's just an easy ride. Sunshine rides on Space Mountain. He's got blondes, brunettes, and redheads surrounding him. Yeah, well, that's true. That's true. All right, I'm not going to deny it. It's pretty self-evident on that. But, once in a while, I got to mix a little business with a lot of pleasure. Oh, here we go. Oh. So where is it there right now? Oh, Miss Rivers. Oh, Miss Rivers. Miss Rivers, while you're up there in the Carolinas, all right, it's 65 degrees down here. If you reviewed the film footage of about an hour ago at Four Brothers Italian Restaurant in my other attire, and just like that, a lot of people think I'm Superman, all right? They think I'm Clark Kent. I could jump into a phone booth and boom, from one outfit to the next. Well, guess what? All right? Superman has a problem with kryptonite, okay? He's got his vices called kryptonite. I don't have any vices, all right? So when they call Mr. Sunshine just like that, I'm on a job just like that, okay? You understand? A little time to come undone, now we'll try to stay alive. So, you know, this is why Rose Lawless, you know, Rose, let me tell you, a lot of people say, Sunshine, how come you never got married? How come you don't have children? How come? Well, you know what? What you're seeing right now, working every day. I started at 17, 300 phone calls a day, 9 guys working around the clock. They were the best paid subcontractors in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Well, let me tell you something. Well, you're sitting there working every day. As a matter of fact, I got to pull in over here somewhere. Where's that place? Well, you're sitting there looking as only I can look. And this is where we got to go right here. Here we go. I got to go in here and fix this safe. So I'm going to go fix this safe right now. It's hard for me. Now you know there ain't no wife. They would have been abandoning me a long time ago. All right, saying, Sunshine, you're never home. Sunshine, the kids have already graduated and you're out on a job. Well, you know what? There's pluses and minuses and everything. So I'm going to go in here and take care of this right now. All right, pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. Coming to you live, Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith, Eddy, right here in sunny South Florida.